Today we are going to learn five interesting things that you can do with your Gmail account to make it look different and also to suit your personal needs and preferences. So for that, we can click on this gear icon. Here, you can choose the density of your Gmail account. So currently it is in default mode. You can make it compact. So this is change 1. Also, you can change the theme of your account. So for that, click on View All, select any theme, and click on Save. So the theme has been changed. So this is change 2. Change 3 is you can choose your preference. So you can make the unread emails to appear first. So it's the unread emails are at the top, the rest of the emails are at the bottom. Or you can make the starred emails to come on the top. So choose whatever suits your needs. Also, if you see, currently you cannot see the body of the email from the default view. So you may choose right of the inbox. So here, if I click on any icon, you can see that the email list is on the left and then the email body is on the right. This may help you to skim through your emails faster. The last thing that I want to show is this conversation view. So in Gmail, you may see that suppose I reply to your emails, and if the subject line is same, all the emails are clubbed together. Not many people prefer this. They want that each and every email that comes to your inbox should be coming as a separate email. So for that, you have to click on conversation view, switch it off. So when you switch it off, all individual emails will come one by one. So hope you can implement some of this in your Gmail box. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.